Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials and the first actionable steps. Open Shorts and confirm 9/16 framing and highest resolution available. Use a tripod or steady support so motion blur is eliminated at the source, and switch to manual focus or tap to lock on your subject. Once done, lock exposure to avoid hunting that causes soft frames. Make sure ISO stays low and shutter speed is appropriate for movement. This prevents grain and motion blur, so your footage is sharp before you do any edits. Now continue into the detailed execution inside your editor. Import the clip and avoid aggressive upscaling. If you must, limit to 100 to 150% to preserve detail. First, apply noise reduction to remove grain, because sharpening afterward will otherwise amplify noise. Next, use subtle sharpening or a high-pass layer, keeping radius small and amount moderate to prevent haloing. Once done, inspect motion areas frame by frame, and use selective masks if sharpening creates artifact. Finish by exporting and uploading with settings that preserve clarity. Choose 1080 by 1920 H, 264 or H, 265, and a bitrate around 8 to 12 megabits per second. Once done, upload over a stable connection so the platform doesn't re-encode poorly. Make sure to preview the native file first. If shorts still look soft after upload, re-export with a higher bitrate or slightly different codec, then re-upload. If problems persist, clear app cache, test on another device, and that troubleshooting step usually reveals whether it's the file or the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.